one choice that you have to choose one thing. What you will choose if you have a chance to choose?
As in for me to have money or beauty, you mean?
Okay. Yes. 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 My name is Mandeep. I'm from India. I'm from where? Where are you, ma'am?
Okay. I'm from England. My name's Harriet.
Okay. Are you from England? Great.
Yeah, I'm
Uh,
from England.
I want to ask ma'am one thing. That there are many online English teacher nowadays. So
Hmm.
I want to ask one thing that first as being an online teacher, can we really teach a student? Okay, first thing is that can we really teach students on online by online?
Yeah, so I think, of course, there is a lot of evidence that teaching online can be really effective, as especially if you have well-defined course
Okay,
and
internet.
syllabus and the activities are. So yeah, there's a lot of evidence that teaching online can be just as effective as teaching in a classroom. Um, there are pros and cons to both, of course.
Yes,
Um,
yes.
yeah, and I
Since
think
when
it can
since
be a
when
good
you are
option for
teaching?
teachers. Sorry, go ahead. So I've
Since
been teaching English since 2017. So like
yes, yes.
nearly 7 years, and I've been teaching
Okay.
online for about 4 or 5 years now.
Yes. You are very serious teacher.
Mm. You think? I mean, you
Yes,
you
there is
asked
no
me like a serious question, so I just give you my professional opinion.
okay. I'm saying that okay. So ma'am, I want to improve my English. Okay, and after that I want to go online. It will work definitely. It will I think work because nowadays people are doing online teaching as well as we are discussing here online. So maybe I think it works.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ma'am, I want to ask one thing. From England, there is nowadays I'm watching English videos channel English with Lucy. So have you heard about it? Do you know her?
No, I haven't. No.
Okay. So I watch that videos, and I think that it helps me. It helps me. So
Mm-hmm.
what on YouTube? It works. People watch it or not?
Yeah, I mean, you said that you watch it, so at least there are some viewers. Yeah. Yeah, I
Yes,
guess if
yes,
you can create things in an interesting way that people want to learn about, there seem to be a lot of different YouTube channels about learning English, and yeah, people have different creative ways to present different information. So yeah, definitely.
yes, 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 yes. Ma'am, can we discuss one thing? Like, what is important? Like, for for a person or for a boy or for a girl, beauty matters or like money matters? Can we discuss on this
In
thing?
what sense do you think?
Like,
Like,
or they are smart, so they can do they can get a good job. Okay, they have good communication skill, they have personality, so they can get the job. Or like after that, like it is that much important, or like the money is important? Like, what do you think, people, what they think,
I
if I
mean,
talk about?
for me personally, I don't think either is important. I don't really judge my friends or people based on how they look or how much money they have. Really, I don't think either of those is important. What do you think?
Not, then, by your side, nothing is that much important, like both of the side is not important.
Yeah, I think there are much more important things than beauty or money, to be honest.
Okay. So if like there is a option, there is a one choice that you have to choose one thing. What you will choose if you have a chance to choose?
As in for me to have money or beauty, you mean?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
I guess I would choose money just because I don't know. I lived my life so far without much of either, and I don't know, can just continue the same. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Mhm.
According to me, yes, I'm satisfied with your answer that nothing works that much. But okay,
Mhm.
but what I think that people believe that they think that if they have personality, good personality, good and they have the beauty, so they can do more work. Like they can get a good job. If I talk about especially like in India or in other countries, it happens. Okay, so
Mhm.
that's why
Yeah.
I want to take
But
your
I
opinion.
think for both, if you're looking to get like an advantage to get ahead, both beauty.
There are two things like introvert and extrovert. Okay, there
Mhm.
are two words, introvert and extrovert. So if you have a chance to find out yourself as introvert or as extrovert, so what you will give yourself, like as an introvert person you are or like extrovert.
I don't know. I guess I'm kind of a mix because I spend all my time like talking to people and like with students and also outside of that. So yeah, kind of extrovert, but at the same time I am happy to spend time by myself and yeah, more quietly. So sometimes extrovert, sometimes introvert.
What is more part in you? Okay, may I
I don't
guess?
know. I
May I
think
guess?
maybe
May I
I
guess,
think
ma'am? May I guess?
mm-hmm.
Okay,
Go
what I
ahead.
think that as I'm talking to you and I have talked to you like 5 minutes or so, what I think that uh, it I can be wrong, I can be right, I don't know, but I think that
Mm-hmm.
you are little bit introvert. Okay, because if I'm asking any question, so you are giving answer in a systematic way. You are giving the answer up to the point. You are not like giving more lengthy answers. So according to me, I think that you are as a introvert. Am I right?
No, I don't think so. I don't know. I think it's pretty even, or maybe more extrovert because I spend most of my day talking with other people and just a short time that I'm by myself. So yeah, I think generally more extrovert. Mhm.
Ma'am, how many countries have you been visit? Like,
Um, I don't know exactly the number. I've been to maybe 4 or 5 in Europe, maybe 6,
have you
and
visited India?
um,
Have you visited India?
no, no, I haven't.
Welcome, ma'am. You are welcome in
How
our country.
Thank you. Yeah, I would love to go to India, but I haven't had the chance yet. How
Welcome.
about
You
you?
should
Have you
come.
visited the UK?
I never visited out of India, like, but I want to go. I want to
Mhm.
visit.
Oh, okay.
I
And
want to
where would
visit.
you go your first trip out of India? Where would you